If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
In our digital toolbox, Tkinter is like the hammer and nails, providing the structure for our interactive PDF generator's graphical user interface. FPDF stands as our digital artisan, masterfully transforming plain text into structured, elegant PDF documents. We enlist the time module, a chronologist, ensuring our PDF file names are stamped with the very moment of their creation. Imagine automating documents, each tailored to perfection, streamlining your digital tasks. With Python, we not only generate but also integrate, weaving PDF creation into diverse applications. This method lays down the foundation, mapping out the essentials of our PDF generator's existence. We bestow upon our application a title, PDF Generator, succinctly capturing its essence and purpose. Here lies our text area, akin to a blank canvas, eagerly awaiting the brushstrokes of words. With grace, we position our canvas, ensuring it claims the spotlight, central and accessible. Behold the Generate PDF button, a beacon that, when pressed, conjures PDFs from mere text. Within this method, magic unfolds, spinning text into the gold of PDF format. We harvest the written words, plucking the ripe text from our textual orchard. A vigilant gatekeeper, this check ensures not a whisper is lost in translation to PDF. Here, we invoke our artisan, FPDF, to commence the alchemical transformation. A new page unfurls, ready to bear the imprint of our words. In Arial's embrace, our text finds its visual voice, clear and resonant. We capture time itself, crafting a unique identifier for our PDF. With time's blessing, each PDF is christened with a unique name, a testament to its moment of creation. Our text flows into the PDF, each word a tributary joining the great river of content. The PDF emerges, a digital creation, now tangible, named with precision and care. We cleanse the canvas, readying it for the next wave of inspiration. A fanfare of success, heralding the birth of a new PDF, its name a marker in time. The incantation to animate our PDF generator, setting it upon the stage of the digital world. And with this, our PDF generator stands vigilant, a sentinel in the realm of digital documentation. Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. For more in-depth support or engineering consultancy services, head over to eprogrammer.com. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.